Woo!
14. 15. Go get a drink. 2 drinks.
Good job, bud. Big drink.
That's the way. All right. Okay, 15 more. Froggy.
Froggy time.
Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
Whoa. Whoa.
Nine. 11. Ha. Oh.
You get some more exercise.
Yeah. 15. Okay, 2 more drinks.
All right, bud.
Oh, that's a good one. Perfect. All right.
Good job, Carl. Thank
Now how many?
No.
No counting.
How many is no, Carl?
No counting. Should we go by time? Should we do it for another hour?
No.
Should we do it for 5 minutes? Should we just play? Okay,
Just play. Okay.
just play. No counting, no time.
This is going to be a long video.
You really can stop anytime.
Carl, you happy, buddy? Carl, you want to throw yours up? You want to throw your doggy up?
I'll do it.
I'm not going to do it. I'm too fun.
Let's both
Not
throw
yet,
it.
huh?
No?
No.
How about you throw it once, Grandma throw it once? No, that's not the game.
Okay, you don't want
Not how
it.
it
Okay.
works. That is not how it works.
We'll come back in a bit.